Hey everyone, this is Ayush Khanduri.
I'm Khushi from Standard 12th. Today we'll embark on an exciting journey through our experiment.
Based on the topic electromagnetic shielding. The materials used in this simple experiment are first, an aluminium foil, second, a smartphone, and last, another phone to make test calls.
Step 1. Preparation. We'll start by ensuring that our smartphone is charged and operational. Next, tear off a piece of aluminium foil large enough to completely wrap around your smartphone.
Step 2. Wrapping the phone. We'll carefully wrap the smartphone in the aluminium foil, making sure that the entire device is covered, leaving no gaps. Step 3. Test setup. We'll use the another phone to make calls to our wrapped smartphone.
Step 4. Observation. What we see is after wrapping the smartphone in an aluminium foil, no incoming calls were successfully received. The phone did not ring or show an indication of an incoming call, suggesting a blockage of incoming signals. This indicates that the aluminium foil acted as a barrier to effectively block incoming calls to the smartphone. However, why does this even happen? Let us look at the scientific aspect of the experiment.
Mobile phones communicate via electromagnetic waves, especially radio waves. These waves carry the signals from the caller's phone to the recipient's phone, allowing communication to be held wirelessly. When we enclose our phone in the aluminium foil, we create what is today known as Faraday's cage. It's an enclosure made up of a conductor, in this experiment which is our aluminium foil.
Aluminium foil, being a good conductor of electricity, allows free movement of electron across its surface. When an electromagnetic wave from an incoming call, for instance, encounters aluminium foil, the electric component of the wave induces a redistribution of charge on the surface of the foil. As we know, in the presence of electric field, the free electrons begin to move as they experience a force F is equals to EQ due to the electric field.
The electrons, being negatively charged, get accumulated at one side of the conductor, leaving the other side positively charged. This induces an electric field within the conductor in the direction opposite to the external electric field. This induced electric field cancels or significantly attenuate the electrical field component of the electromagnetic wave.
As a result, the wave ability to transmit signals is diminished. The smartphone wrapped in an aluminium foil therefore does not detect or receive the incoming call because the signal strength is greatly reduced or completely blocked.
Related practical applications of this experiment may be: first, conducting metals are used to create shields and enclosures for the electronic devices to prevent the external electromagnetic waves to interfere with their functioning and operation. One example of this are sensitive medical machineries like X-ray machines and MRI rooms.
Second, smartphones, tablets, and other portable devices use electromagnetic waves shielding techniques to minimize interference and ensure reliable wireless communication and operations. Third, modern vehicles contain numerous electronic systems that require shielding to prevent interference that could affect performance or safety.
Therefore, everyday household items can be successfully used to understand physics around us. Thank you and have a nice day.